How to access the service menu on a Sony Android TV. Sony TVs have two service menus, the short service menu and the main service menu. To access the short service menu, press the following buttons on your remote. E5, volume down. Then press power on the TV. Now I'm pressing the combination. E5, volume down, power on. The short service menu is now open. Here you can check how many times your TV has been turned on and off. Now let's access the main service menu. This time press E5, volume up. Then press power on the TV. Now I'm pressing E5, volume up, power on. The main service menu is now open. Here you'll find model information, self-diagnostic history, video and audio settings, and more. That's it. Now you know how to access both Sony TV service menus. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.